Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can upload music in SoundCloud. So firstly what you have to do is just simply check in your Play Store or App Store, do you have an update for SoundCloud or not. Just simply go to your store, then search for SoundCloud and check whether do you have the update or not. If you have an update, just simply update the application to the latest version. Then after the app is updated, just simply open the application. Now after the application is open, you will find a upload icon at the top right corner of the screen over here. Just simply click on it. Now you will be redirected to the upload page. Now in the upload page, just simply click on the three lines at the top left corner and choose the location where you have your song. So just simply choose that location. For example, in my case, I have my music in the downloads folder, so I'll just simply choose downloads. And then when you reach that folder, all you have to do is just simply click on that song that you want to upload. Then it will be selected. Now after that, just simply select a genre. Then just simply describe your track if you want to. You can do that. Then hit save. Then you can also add caption if you want to. Now after all of that, in the end, just simply hit save at the top right corner. And within a few seconds, your song should be uploaded. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.